Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Blockchain Gem Review by Tobina. Blockchain Gem Review episode is a coin analytics and review method which we will be using in this channel to locate and remind ourselves about DeFi gems, protocols, and amazing blockchains. Today's gem for this video is the DODO coin, DODO. Alright, so what is DODO coin? DODO is a decentralized trading protocol for Web3 powered by the proactive market making algorithm, PMM. Alright, if you're new to this term, let's just go over it. What a proactive market maker algorithm looks like, which DODO uses. Alright, so DODO uses this PMM algorithm to provide liquidity. PMM is an inventory management strategy. When the quantity of an asset becomes low, the PMM algorithm automatically increases the price quoted for this asset in anticipation of buying back the missing inventory from the market. All right, so a practical example of how a PMM algorithm works is that this is this example provided by the DODO protocol. Next, we use a simple example to illustrate how PMM works. All right, so these are not exact, but it just helps you to understand how the algorithm works. For example, Peter's boss gives him $100 and 10 apples. There are people in the market who are willing to buy and sell these apples. All right, and Peter has to satisfy these people's buying and selling needs with the inventory he has on hand. All right, in more technical terms, this is providing liquidity to the apple market. The owner tells Peter that the apple are about $10 each and then goes home to rest, leaving Peter to wait for the users above in the market. Then someone buys an apple from Peter. Peter adds a little price to it and sells it to him for $12. The $2 added to it is the so-called slippage. Right, at this point, Peter's inventory is now $112 and 9 apples. Right, that's an additional $12 and a subtraction of 1 apple which was recently sold. Right, so Peter automatically places a pending order at $11, which is slightly above the market price of $10, expecting to buy back an apple as soon as possible to make up for the shortfall. All right, so as soon as Peter buys back the apple for $11, this leaves Peter now with $101 and 10 apples in stock. All right, which is now an additional $1 and 0 apples gone missing, being sold. All right, so although it costs $1 more, the extra $2 received through the slippage was enough to make up for it, and Peter helped his boss to make a net profit of $1. All right, so the PMM algorithm is the Peter of the above behavior, and you are Peter's boss. We are Peter's boss. All right, so what Peter does in a nutshell is to provide liquidity while maintaining a healthy inventory by actively adjusting prices. All right, so this is how a PMM model works. You can always revisit this point and understand it better. All right, so this is DODO, a decentralized trading protocol for Web3. All right, so going through what you can do with the DODO token, the DODO protocol. This DODO protocol provides liquidity across multiple chains, including ETH, BSC, Polygon, Arbitrum, Huobi ecosystem, OKC, Aurora, Near, Moonriver, Boba Network, Optimism, Avalanche, and Kronos. All right. So by the end of this video, you see how you can earn on your DODO tokens, and you see how you can use the DODO swap to trade across several markets. All right. Both aggregated liquidity and liquidity being provided on the DODO protocol. All right. So first of all, this is the DODO exchange. All right. You can swap your tokens here simply by selecting the token you wish to swap. All right. Input an existing token, or you put in the contract address. All right, and also output simple swap. All right. You also have the limit option for this, where you can set a limit. All right, when you set a limit to buy a particular coin at a particular price. All right, once the price reaches that point where you want to that expected price where you want to purchase that asset for, the other order executes, and this doesn't require gas to execute. So how does this fill up? This matches, first of all, it matches it with the existing AMM liquidity. Secondly, it matches it from aggregated liquidity, and then lastly, it matches or executes it from other limits orders being placed by other DODO users on this platform. All right, you also have the gasless feature, which is you can use to swap tokens for totally gasless. All right, so this feature is currently available on BSC and ETH. All right, so you can swap on your tokens using the DODO swap. So how do you earn with DODO? All right, you can earn in DODO actively in two ways. All right, you can first of all, you can participate in the liquidity by adding several liquidity. You can add liquidity by simply combining a few of tokens, and this has the current APY on the tokens available. Add up USDC and get some APY. All right, wrap BTC and USDC, get some APY. All right, so to earn more on this, you can stake your LP tokens. All right, you can stake your LP tokens by in some way called as a mining. All right, stake your LP tokens to get DODO rewards. The rewards in emissions are being paid in DODO. All right, so these are the LP farms available here. It's called mining here. All right, on DAI USDT LP, you can stake it your LP tokens and earn an APR of 4.78% APR being paid in DODO. All right, adding the wrapped ETH and USDC LP gives you 6.23 APR paid in DODO. DODO representing wrapped ETH and DODO representing USDC. The rest can be found here. All right, so next thing you can see here are so many things you can do across the DODO protocol. You have the bridge. Do look through a couple of bridges here. All right, you also have the crowdpooling feature where you can raise funds for a particular project in a very decentralized way. All right, you can also use DAO, the DODO protocol, to create a token, your own token. All right, no coding required. Create your crowdpooling and also create your liquidity mining program. All right, so onto the DODO token. How can we earn using this DODO token and the DODO VDODO governance token? All right, the VDODO membership. All right, you actually to have the VDODO to participate in the VDODO governance membership, you have to mint your VDODO. All right, using your DODO tokens. I just have to accept this. Continue. All right, so staking a couple of hundred DODO tokens will give you one VDODO, which can be used to participate in the DODO governance. All right, so you are accruing rewards, which are in this time of making this video at 1% APY. All right, so across this protocol, we already have over 400 VDODO members already actively using this section of the protocol. All right, you can also invite your friends to mint VDODO. All right, so for example, if your referee stake 100,000 DODO tokens, you get an estimated 2.58 VDODO, which is actually like 258 DODO per month. All right, so you can also refer your friends to stake their VDODO and earn. All right, so to redeem a VDODO, there is a fee attached to it. All right, fee at time of the video, the exit fee rate is 12.18% for on staking your DODO tokens, for redeeming your VDODO to become DODO tokens. All right, so let's go over to the tokenomics of this coin. Now onto the tokenomics of the VDODO, the price history, price prediction, and possible price analysis for this protocol. We'll be using CoinGecko like we normally do in this channel. All right, so at the time of making this video, DODO was currently trading at $0.1, $0.12. All right, so it has circulating supply of 470 million DODO tokens. All right, and the total supply is maxed capped at 1 billion DODO tokens. At the time of making this video, the current market cap, it was sitting at $52 million. All right, and it had a 24-hour trading volume of $4 million. All right, this is the contracts on DODO. DODO is available on Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Arbitrum 1, the Polygon POS, Aurora, alright, in an energy contracts or networks. Alright, so wherever you are, you can just do this on DODO. Alright. Okay, I'm a private supporter of layer 2. You can just get started using the Arbitrum 1. Alright, so let's go on to the price history and possible price analysis and prediction for the VDODO tokens. Alright, so DODO made an all-time low at June 18th, 2022, which is roughly 3 months from now. All-time low was at $0.104. Alright. All-time low was at $0.104. Alright, and I made an all-time high of $8.38, right, at February 20, 2021. Alright, so buying it from this price is quite a very bullish, futuristic move for this. And this is not a financial advice. Please do your own research before investing in any crypto projects or any coin assets at all. Alright, so DODO is on popular markets, on popular centralized exchanges, and on popular decentralized exchanges. Alright, including Binance, MEXC, Digfinex, BitGet, and AX exchanges. Alright, so you can also get it, or you can also use the DODO bridge. Alright, you can also use the DODO bridge if you want. Alright, or you use the DODO bridge and bridge it across the several networks where you maybe bought it on Sushi or on the Phantom DEX. Alright, so that is that for DODO tokens. If you found this video helpful, please do give this video a thumbs up. You give this video a like to support this channel, and do subscribe. Alright, to keep on receiving more videos on blockchain gem reviews, coin analysis, token reviews, and so much more from this channel. This is DODO on Twitter. Do give them a follow if you wish. Alright, and stay on chain and enjoy the amazing rewards of DeFi. Alright, thank you so much, and I would love to see you in my next videos. Alright, so I will say peace out.